WASSCE June 2003, question 2a. Without using mathematical tables or calculator, simplify root 50 minus 3 root 2, bracket open, 2 root 2 minus 5, bracket close, minus 5 root 2. Here we have a question on surd, and we are required to simplify the surd given here. To be able to simplify this surd, we have to break root 50 here and root 32 into simpler surd. We have that root 50 is equal to square root of 25 times square root of 2, because 50 here is 25 times 2, so that square root of 25 here gives 5. So I have 5 times root 2. This will be equal to 5 root 2. So root 32 here is equal to square root of 16 times square root of 2, because 32 is equal to 16 times 2. So that square root of 16 here gives 4. So I have this as 4 root 2. So that root 50 here becomes 5 root 2. I have minus 3 root 2, or bracket 2 root 2 minus 5. So what I have here is minus 5 here. Square root of 32 here is equivalent to 4 root 2. So I have 4 root 2. This will be equal to 5 root 2. I'll have to open up this bracket here, so that minus 3 root 2 here multiplying 2 root 2 here minus 3 root 2 multiplied by 2 root 2 rather, minus 3 root 2 times 2 root 2. I have the numbers multiplying themselves and the roots also multiplying themselves, such that minus 3 here times 2 gives minus 6. Root 2 here times root 2 will be root 4. So I have that minus 3 root 2 here times 2 root 2 will be equal to minus 6 root 4. So I have this as minus 6 root 4. So I have minus 3 root 2 here multiplying minus 5 here. So we have minus 3 root 2 times minus 5. So we simply have the number here, which is minus 3, multiplying minus 5, that will be equal to plus 15. Then I have root 2 here, so I have that as 15 root 2. So what I have here, minus 3 root 2 times minus 5 will be plus 15 root 2. So this is plus 15 root 2 minus 5 here times 4 root 2. Minus 5 times 4 root 2 5 will simply multiply 4 here, and that will be 20. So I have this as equal to minus 20 root 2. So this is minus 20 root 2. So I see that 5 root 2 here plus 15 root 2. This will be equal to, we have root 2 common to both sides, can bring out root 2. So what I have left here is 5 plus 15 here. 5 plus 15 is 20, so that will be 20 root 2 So we have that 5 root 2 plus 15 root 2 will be equal to 20 root 2. So I have this as minus, this is 6 here, square root of 4 here is 2, so that's 6 times 2. So I have minus 20 root 2 left here, so this will be minus 20 root 2. So that 20 root 2 here minus 20 root 2 cancels out. Or work on the bracket first. This will be equal to 20 root 2. 6 times 2 here is 12. So I have minus 12 minus 20 root 2. So 20 root 2 minus 20 root 2 cancels out. I have minus 12 left. This will be equal to minus 12. So we have been able to simplify that solve